Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix a Windows 11 digital license that is not activating after resetting your PC. First, open the Start menu and go to Settings. After that, open Accounts and make sure you are signed in with the exact same Microsoft account that was linked to your Windows license before the reset. Many activation problems happen because users log in with a different account by mistake. Next, stay inside Settings and go to System, then open Activation. Here, check which edition of Windows 11 is currently installed on your computer. This step is very important because sometimes Windows installs the wrong edition after a reset. For example, if your old license was for Windows 11 Pro, but your PC is currently running Windows 11 Home, the digital license will not activate correctly. If you see the wrong edition installed, you will need to reinstall the correct version of Windows 11 that matches your digital license. After installing the correct edition, go back to Settings, then System and open Activation again. Now click on Change next to Change Product Key. Enter your Windows product key carefully and continue through the on-screen instructions. Windows should now activate successfully if the correct edition is installed and the license matches your Microsoft account. If activation still does not work, restart your computer and check your internet connection before trying again. Thanks for watching.